Hey guys, welcome back to Mia Time. And today I have a special video for y'all. This is a Mermicorno. It's series 2.
Mia Time.
And it's basically a unicorn with a mermaid tail, and it lives under the sea. So this, on the side, is the collection of all the Mermicornos. This is called Layla, a pun, I think. This one is called Coraline. This one is called Perla, which is my personal favorite, and this one's called Lilypad. This one is the Chase. Even though I really don't like the style, I really want it. And it says his name is Sharkbite. This rainbow one's name is Aquaria. Sounds like Aquafina. And this one is Curlin. I think I said that correctly. And this one is Phantasma. It's like a skull sort of thing. Yeah. And let's get opening. Okay. Let's open this. Okay. I got it out. Okay, I'll just put it here. Oh no, more tape. Oh gosh. Let me just open this first. Okay, got it. Yes. This is a really long piece of tape. Okay. And then this. Okay. The packaging is really, it's like see-through. It's clear. Okay. And then on the back, it says, one special night, a group of Unicornos were flying in the direction of falling stars. The falling stars were disappearing into a sparkly sea, which transformed them into starfish while changing snowflakes into jellyfish. They rode the tail of a shooting star into the magical sea, turning them into enchanting creatures of half unicorno and half fish. One day, while following migrating dolphins, they discovered the surface of our world. Thus began the legend of the Mermicornos, rumored to only resurface during a lunar eclipse. Says right here. Okay, and this is like a little guide to our Mermicornos. Ooh, this is a Tokidoki, by the way. Yeah, it has all of them. It says, Tokidoki means sometimes in Japanese. I chose a Japanese word because I love Japan. I love everything from the ultra-modern happy face of Shibuya to the serious magic silence of Kyoto. Interesting. Oh, wait, what? The artist is from Rome. Wow. Let's open the sky. I hope it's the one I want. Ooh. Ooh. This is cool. Wow. Ooh, it's clear. It's transparent. Sort of. Yeah. Whoa. This is cool. It has a little fishy on it. It's just like, eh. And this part is yellow, but the inside part is blue. She has orange hair with some little turquoise on the back, and then yellow, and then blue. She has wings, so it's an alicornio. I guess that makes sense. And And over here is her tail. She has a blue and orange theme going on here. Ooh, Nemo! I found Nemo! Finding Nemo, I found Nemo. And some other fishies with some coral down there. Ooh, she has a necklace. She has a necklace. Oh, I just noticed that. There's a fish inside of her. You see that, people? There's a fish inside of her. And she has earrings. Of course. Earrings. And earrings. Oh. Oh, gosh. This one is, let me see. Oh, I got Aquaria. I got this one. This seems really cool. Even though I wanted the pink one. But this one's translucent, so I'm okay with this one. I just give you a good view of this. So that's it for this week's special video. If you would like to get your hands on these cuties, remember, I'm gonna put a link in the description box down below. Be sure to click the links in the description. Make sure to give us a like and subscribe. And I'm gonna be going. Goodbye.
Beyond time.